Welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare chicken 65 without deep fry. Take a bowl, add half kg boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Most of them think that chicken does not have any health benefits. Let's know the health benefits of chicken. Chicken contains more amount of proteins and less amount of fat. Chicken has rich minerals like phosphorus and calcium, which helps bones in mint condition. Chicken is also a good source of niacin that helps in lowering cholesterol, a risk factor for health disease development. Now just mix them so that each chicken pieces coats well with ginger garlic paste. Now add salt to taste. Chili powder, adjust as per your taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, little kasturi methi. Mix them. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of oil. Just mix them up. 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce. I am using homemade Schezwan sauce. Just check out the description for the Schezwan sauce recipe. It is very simple to make it, and you can even store the Schezwan sauce for 2 months in a refrigerator. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix them. You don't need to add any water. Make sure that it is thick enough. Just add 1 egg instead of water. Mix them well. Lemon juice. Make sure that each chicken pieces is coated well with masala. It looks so yummy. Let it rest for whole night.
The next day.
Resting it for a whole night gives a good taste and softness to your chicken. Now let's shallow fry them. Just add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the chicken pieces one by one. Don't add all the chicken pieces at once. Just cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, gently flip it over and cook it for another 10 minutes. No need to cover it with a lid while cooking these chicken pieces. It does not take much time to cook. Within 15 minutes, you can complete this process. Our chicken pieces are completely cooked just with 3 tablespoons of oil. They are really very soft and juicy. With a chopstick, check the cooked consistency. Don't overcook this chicken. Overcooking this chicken may make it hard. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Serve it with onions. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button.